Hi everyone, so I'm having trouble with my Galaxy S8 Plus. As you can see on right here, it's having the OLED burn. As you can see, the red colors on most of the screens. It's pretty red. Look at this. It's completely red everywhere you go. It's like really bad. So there is few options to repair it. Either you can send it to Samsung and they'll fix it for free unless you have warranty on it. Or I don't know if they recalled some of the phones. Seems like they had some problems with it before. It's quite a few phones. Or you can go, if you have pretty light LCD burn, OLED burn, you can go to display, you can go to settings, start going by settings, and then display, and then go to screen mode, and then do color balance, and just try to turn off red as much as you can. It will be a little bit, it'll help you a little bit, but not much, not that much. So there is one more option. You can go to Play Store and just get one of those LCD and AMOLED OLED like a burn tools, so it'll fix your screen. That's one of the options too. Or just send it to Samsung if you have warranty. That's the easiest one. They'll replace your screen and they'll try to update the firmware so you won't have this problem again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.